How to fix being stuck on the login page in ChatGPT. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're stuck on ChatGPT login page and keep getting redirected, don't worry, I have got the solution for you. So without further delay, let's dive right into the video. Launch your browser on a device. The first thing you need to follow is simply navigate to three dots at top right. Now choose Settings and choose Privacy and Security. Tap Delete Browsing Data. Here you need to simply choose Cookies and Site Data and tap All Time at top right. And here you need to choose All Time as it runs. After that, tap on Delete Data and restart your browser and try logging in again on ChatGPT. If this step didn't work, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If needed, you can restart your router or simply switch to a different network as well. Other thing what you need to do is update your browser. Ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions may cause compatibility issues. If the issue persists, you can try logging in on other devices like your phone or tablet. If none of this step work, you need to reach out to OpenAI Support for further assistance. So that's it for this tutorial. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fixes. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and see you in the next video.